What happens if you need to relocate for work after divorce? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. After a divorce, it's not uncommon to face major life changes, including the need to relocate for a new job or better career opportunity. But if you share custody of children or have court-ordered parenting arrangements, moving isn't as simple as packing up and starting fresh. It's important to understand the legal steps involved and how to handle a relocation the right way. If you don't have children and your divorce judgment is finalized, you're generally free to move wherever you choose. That said, it's still smart to update your legal documents, notify the court if any obligations are still active, and ensure that your support or property division agreements remain enforceable in your new state. However, if you share custody of children, relocating can be much more complicated. In California, you can't move your child out of the area, or especially out of state, without either a written agreement from the other parent or permission from the court. This is known as a move-away case, and courts take them very seriously. Judges will evaluate whether the move is in the child's best interest, how it will impact the parenting schedule, and whether both parents can maintain a meaningful relationship with the child. If both parents agree to the move, the process can be straightforward. You can file a stipulated modification that updates the parenting plan and travel arrangements. But if there's disagreement, you'll need to file a request for order and go through a hearing, where the court will ultimately decide. We recently worked with a client who got a job offer in another state and needed to move within 60 days. She shared joint custody of her 2 children and initially thought the move would be denied. We helped her draft a relocation plan, propose a revised parenting schedule that included extended holidays and virtual visits, and negotiated a signed agreement with her ex. The court approved the move, and she was able to relocate without damaging her co-parenting relationship. At Divorce 661, we help you plan for real-life changes like relocation and make sure the legal side is handled properly. Whether you need to update your custody agreement, file a move-away request, or work out a new parenting plan, we're here to guide you through the process. If you're facing a possible relocation after divorce, especially with kids involved, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you understand your options, stay compliant with the law, and protect both your future and your family.